Today we're going to be tightening up our gear shift knob on our 2010 Ford Mustang. The tools you'll need for this is a T20 torx and a pry tool or flathead screwdriver. So get your pry tool or your flathead screwdriver and pry this down just like that. Now you have two torque screws, one on this side and one on this side. Let's tighten this one up first over here, because obviously it's, oh yeah, it's loose. That's one, and then the other one's over here. There we go. That's on tight. I put some gloves on for this because it was a little slippery, so just gonna, there we go. And that's how you tighten up your gear shift knob on your 2010 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.